I'm going to be showing you how to fix shortcuts not showing in Google Chrome. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that the shortcuts are turned on. So just go to your Chrome first, it's right over here, and just look at the bottom where you can see the tabs buttons. Just go ahead and tap on the tabs. Once you're here, you just need to tap on the plus sign at the bottom to create a new tab. So after you find yourself in a new tab, you just need to find Discover Feed right over here. If you don't see any shortcuts, then you just need to continue all the way down. So if you're still not seeing them, then you just need to look at the bottom right where you can see the three dot button. Just tap here and tap on Settings. Settings is right over here. And now just scroll down and make sure that Discover mode right here is turned on. You also need to check if you have cleared browsing history recently. Chrome removes suggested shortcuts if history was cleared. So to rebuild them, you need to visit a few sites and close Chrome and reopen it, and shortcuts should begin appearing again. So that's all you need to do. That's how you fix shortcuts not showing in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.